Hey Beauty Glam Sisters, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and hello to the new Beauty Glam Sisters. Welcome to my channel. My name is Danny MUA, and in today's video I'm going to create this look using the JACLYN Hill Ring the Alarm palette, and these are the colors to create this look. So if you guys like this look, make sure you smash that like button. That really helps out my channel. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you go. Alright, let's get started. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is use the Wet n Wild concealer on my eyes to prime them. And like I said on the previous videos, I'm going to do one eye on camera and the other one off camera, and then I will be right back. The same thing I'm going to do today. So I'm going to do one eye for you guys, and then I'll do the other one off camera. And to blend this out today, I'm going to use my Morphe blending sponge. Alright, in this video we're going to do the JACLYN Hill Ring the Alarm palette. And these are the colors. They're so pretty. Alright, so I'm going to grab my Morphe M518 and I'm going to go in with the color Rush, which is this orangey color right there as a transition color. And it blends out pretty. It's a nice orangey color. The next color I'm going to go in is with Alert, which is that one right there. And I'm going to go in with the same M518. That one's very vibrant. I'm gonna go again with the same brush and go in with Rush to blend it out a little bit more. Alright, the next color I'm going to use is called Frame, which is this one right there. And I'm gonna use the same Morphe M518, and this one's like a burgundy-ish color. I'm going to focus this in the outer corner right here and in the inner corner right there. And of course, the colors that I do not use, I am going to swatch them for you in the back of my hand for you. Blend, blend, blend. I'm going to use the Morphe E36, which is a pencil brush to go under the eye. And I'm going to go in with the color Alert under the eye. And I'm going to go in with this M518 to blend it out. And then I'm going to grab a little bit of Rush with the M518 to blend out the bottom so it doesn't look so hard. I went a little overboard, but it's okay. I'll fix it later. And I'm going to pack Frame, just pack it in the corners and not blend it so much. And with the packing brush, I'm going to grab the Tarte one, and I'm going to go in with On Camera, which is this one right there, and put it in the center. Oh, that's so pretty. And this is with a dry brush, no I didn't put no Fix Plus or anything. Alright, and with the same M518, I'm going to blend that out so it looks so harsh on the corners. And with the M210, I'm gonna go in with a little bit of frame and go under the waterline just a little bit. I don't know how Lolly looks, but I'm gonna put a little bit right there just to see if it's a good highlighting color. Kind of pink, but let's try it. Never hurts to try it, right? All right, I'm gonna go in with the e.l.f. eye crease brush and grab a little bit of Lolly. I don't see nothing. It's there. I wonder how it looks on the brow bone. I don't know. I'm gonna have to go in with Armed and Gorgeous and grab that highlighting color to highlight the inner corner. Okay, so it's off. Have a little bit of that white. Pop it in the center. Yes. Look at that highlight. Pretty. And with that same color, I'm gonna highlight the brow bone. I'm gonna grab the same M518 and go in with a little bit of brush to blend that highlight in with the shadow. Alright, now that it looks like that, I'm gonna go off camera, do lashes, eyeliner, foundation, and everything. And then you'll see my final thoughts. And then I'll do the swatches for you guys so you can see the different ones that I did not use. Alright, I'll be right back. Alrighty, beauty glam sisters, this completes the look. And I also forgot to mention that I got the new Jeffree Star Liquid Frost, and I'm gonna put this on camera for you guys. So it's brand new, never opened. So let's open this bad boy. And I got the shade Frostbite. It says on the box it's a frosty, divine, magical, liquid liquid lightning in a bottle, a metallic and glitter orgy. Oh, okay. And it comes in a 1.01 fluid ounces. Oh, look, the little thing goes up. And this is what I'm gonna use to highlight. Is this like a dropper? Oh, it's like a dropper. Alright, here we go. Get some. Put some right here. Oops. Okay. And I'll put them on the bridge of the nose. That's pretty cool how this thing goes down by itself. Awesome. We'll blend it out with, I'll just grab my Real Technique sponge to blend it in. Oh, it's so pretty. And it's like white with like glitter. Whoa. Straight up white. And this one looks so harsh. Look at that. Now the nose. Whew. So windy. Look at that, look. That's such a pretty color too. Yeah, Liquid Frost. And this is in the shade Frostbite. Alright, also what I have in my face is the Maybelline Super Stay in the shade 320. I have some Fix Plus. I have some Laura Mercier. I have Kiss Lashes, which are these in the style Camisole. These are my favorite, all-time favorite lashes. I know I say that a lot, but these are my go-to all-time favorite. Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brown in the shade Ebony. Oh, the lips are from Morphe, and these are in the shade Vinyl. Yeah, Vinyl. Such a pretty color. I also have the lip pencil for it. There's the lip pencil that came with it. Amazing! Look, but look at that highlight though. Super pretty. And the colors that I used for this look are in the Ring the Alarm palette, which these are the colors. Alright, and like I said, I was gonna swatch all of them. The ones I used for this look were Rush, Alert, Frame, and On Camera. And I'm gonna swatch the rest of them. I try to use Dolly in there for the highlight, but it did not work. I used Ring the Alarm for this one. Anyways, so I'm gonna swatch them and show you how they look. I'm gonna do it on this hand, because this hand has Morphe. But I went to the Morphe store to try out some new lips. Alright, so we're gonna go with Dolly first, which is like a pink shimmery color. It has like a kind of like a yellow undertone to it. Alright, the next one. Boom. Boom. Ooh, that's a pretty color. This one wasn't chunky at all. It came out perfect. Alright, next one. Bomb. So I'm gonna do that in my pinky. I'm gonna do it next to this one. And this one, it came out perfect. No chalkiness, no nothing. The next one is Siren. Right. Oh, that's a pretty color too. Yeah, that's a pretty color. Very buttery, let me tell you that. Very buttery. Last but not least, it's called Secret. Last one. That one's alright. It's kind of chunky, but it's alright. It's not too bad. Oh, I post videos for you guys every Wednesday at 6:30 Arizona time, or Phoenix time, I should say. Alright, Beauty Glam Sisters. Till next time. Bye.